Step number 3, time to read from Salesforce and configure get. So at this point, we've set up our URL parameters. Now we're ready to go ahead and read from Salesforce and display Joe Blogg's first name, last name, email, and his GDPR details directly into the form, pre-fill them. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is on the right hand side under form, Salesforce integration, click on set get. Now we will select an object. In my case, it is contact, but in your case, it could be contact account or whatever have you. And the premise is the same. Now you can go ahead and write a comment what this is doing. I'm going to say this reads contact details from Salesforce object. Okay. It's highly recommended that you add a comment because you could have multiple gets on a contact, so you will need to be able to distinguish which one is which. And that's where comments come in handy, because if you apply, and I'll quickly just do something, ignore this step here. If you apply, you can see there's the comment. And now if you have multiple like this, it becomes really hard because you don't know which one's doing which. So it's really important to add comments, unique comments, so you know what each get does. Back here, for this video, that's all I wanted to cover: how to select your object, how to add a comment. When you are using a URL parameter, you don't need to worry about execute on form load because it's going to execute when the URL is executed anyway. You don't need to worry about using custom button / action. I have separate videos for those in this course that you can follow and learn what each of these do. But for now, we will ignore these two and move on to our next step, which is conditions, and I will see you in the next video.